Alright there, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We got a regular old North Dakota heat wave going on here today. It's a nice, warm, not really sunny day, 34 degrees out. And first goal here today is I want to try to get all the road salt and snow and everything rinsed off of this truck. And see, I've been back here working in the rear suspension area here for a while already. I got the bulk of all the snowpack and road salt and stuff out of the frame rails back here. It's going to need another little wrench down. We're going to try to get this thing cleaned up a little bit, get all the salt off of it, and then we'll get on to something a little more fun. Alright, now that that's done, as I told you guys, we're going to get on to something a little more fun. Got a little package here, the good guys over at Partsam, or it might be Partsam. It's probably Partsam. I should probably know this. But anyway, they sent me a package here, and I'm pretty excited to put these on. I was actually thinking about buying some of these myself, and they offered to send them to me, so definitely cool with that. And I've used this brand before and paid my own money for them and been very happy with them. In fact, these lights right here are from them, and I paid my own money for them. You guys can see the box right here. I installed these lights almost a year ago and had zero issues with them. So generally I turn down anybody that wants to send me free stuff unless it's somebody that I'm either familiar with or I know the quality, because I don't want to show you guys things that I wouldn't buy myself. So generally anything I show you guys on this channel is stuff I either have or would spend my own money on. So yeah, these are actually pretty cool. They're going to mount up in the air cleaner hat here and light up the inside of the air cleaner. Now, I have taken a peek at these already, and it's pretty cool. You got these two LED lights here. They've got 3M double-sided tape on the back side of them. So they will basically just stick themselves right up in there, run the lights out, and we're going to have lighted air cleaners. So one thing I kind of like about this is these are fully potted in an epoxy. None of this circuitry or wires or anything are exposed. It's all fully sealed up in epoxy, so these should be good and weather tight. I also noticed on here that we've got 3 wires. We've got a ground, we've got 12 volt, and then we've also got a wire that'll work with 24 volt. So if you have a 24 volt truck or something that you want to use these on, they work for both 12 and 24 volt. Now, another thing that I think is actually a really nice touch that they included on these is on these wires, they actually have a sealed type bullet connector here. So if you see this little ridge here, that's so that the female end actually kind of will lock over that. and create a sealed connection. Now, if they're looking for a note of improvement, it would be nice if they also included the female end of that connector, which they did not. And they're also going to be not quite enough wire here for me to get these outside of the air cleaner hat to where I can disconnect them for servicing the air cleaner. So I'm probably going to end up, unfortunately, cutting these off and using a different connector. But I do think that that's a nice touch that they did on these. And I'd like to see a little bit of improvement as far as maybe a little bit more wire and include the female section of the connector with the lights. I think that would be a fantastic improvement. Now, installing these should be as simple as removing our air cleaner hat here. On this truck, it's just one clamp bolt here. Get that loosened up. Then we should be able to pull the air cleaner hat off, like so. Then I'm just going to use a little bit of paint thinner. Go ahead and clean this area up really nice where we're going to stick that on there. Alright, so now I've got my 2 wires that I need here connected up to the length of wire that I'm going to use. And then this wire we're not going to use because we're 12 volts instead of 24. So I'm just going to fold that out of the way. Wrap it up with a little electrical tape. Then we've got the inside of our air cleaner hat cleaned off. We're going to pull the adhesive back. And just stick this right down in the middle. Make sure we press it on there good. And this is actual 3M tape, and this stuff sticks really good, so they should never fall off. Okay, now that we got that, just going to take the wires down here. Run them right out here, and then we will position the wires so that they're back around the back side of the air hat here. Tighten that back down. Now that we got these lights out here, all we got to do, just run this down. And then I will connect them right into the wiring I've already got for these lights right here. Alright, got the other side on here now. And these are available in several different colors. Chart or a list or something of the different colors up here on the screen. And if you guys are interested in buying any partsam lights, they're available in many places such as eBay and Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. And they are also available through several in-store retailers, I believe Walmart and probably a few others. But I'll have some links as well as additional information down in the description below. If you're interested in some lights, I'd say yeah, check them out. I'm very happy. You know, this front bumper kind of took a beating here this last year on a levee building project that I did, and I ordered a new bumper for this truck. It's got a bunch of light holes. I'm very happy with all the lights I've bought from that brand, as well as these ones that they sent me, so I might reach out to them, ask them if they want to supply some lights for that. If not, I just might buy them myself. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day.